engine which is pouring onto the bulkhead. And now if we now come into the inside of the car, I've pulled your carpet back so we can actually get access to it. And there we go, so we can see that there is a drop of water working its way down past that bit there. Just going to wait till it leaks a bit. Right, okay, and then what that's then doing is once it then leaks from there, it then fills up this little section down here. As we can see, we've got a pool of water here. So if I just lift this up, there we go. So this is where the water's obviously exiting. And what that actually is if we go up underneath the dashboard, we can see that there's signs of water. But can you see there's a box just there? And that is where your air conditioning pipes go through the bulkhead, and it's actually leaking from this point here.